What's up? What's up, everybody? This is awesome. We are here to talk to you about using Whop and why Whop is so important right now and how it's making a huge opportunity. Listen, I don't know about you, but here is an opportunity to learn about Whop. All right, learn about Whop. And so I'm going to show you some stuff that is going to blow your mind, right? Whop, I was, told about this just recently, and it's all about using the information that they have to take your business to the next level, right? To take your business to the next level. And I was just blown away. I was blown away by WOP. I was blown away by the opportunity that it allows you as it relates to your business. And so I said, listen, let's jump aboard. Let's take a look at this information. Let's make things happen. And hey, why not take a look at it? And so WOP, I put a lot of my courses on here. I put a lot of my information on here. And so if you want to take a look at WOP, I would say take a look at it. I'll put the link in there about WOP and how you make money, how you turn things. I'll put it in the chat down here about WOP. And so this is just an awesome opportunity for you in your business that you haven't thought about. And so um, I have in this program, the business grant strategy program, where I help and I put content out about business grants. And so WOP has allowed me to gain clients. It allowed me to show some things um, and make some things happen, right? So what's up, Mr. Mez? Mr. Mez, Mr. Mez is in the building, in the building. Go check out that WOP, man. So WOP I've been using might be something that you want to actually check out too, man. And so I have my business grant strategy community there where I help people learn about business grants, help them get on some strategy about business grants in this business grant community, all on WOP, right? They don't even charge you to post this stuff, right? I have business grant hours, content, chat information, all things that you could think about that you haven't thought about. So, first of all, like and subscribe to my page. Hook me up, y'all. Like and subscribe to my page. And so I have many different things on WOP. And so you should have stuff on WOP. You should have stuff on their platform that you can use and post about your business because they have what it takes, y'all. I don't know about you, but when you want to get on a platform that you can actually grow your following, get paid, get some money, do some training, have content providers helping you out. And so, this thing is awesome, right? Have my profile here. Um, if you want to view my profile, it pops up, it gives you some details. It talks about what I spent. That's my profile, right? That's my profile, y'all. It talks about how many WOPs I created, right? My content, how many WOPs I joined, right? They got a university, they have information here. I'm talking about my target audience, who am I trying to reach, who is this important for? So this is my WOP, right? But I need some reviews. I gotta get some reviews. I'm about to get some reviews from some folks, but you could become an affiliate. But I want to go over here and I'm gonna show you the WOP University. Where's WOP University here? They got a whole university, y'all, where you can actually take classes. You can take many things here. They have courses here. They have messages. They have information. Let me get it right. You could chat with people. It's like awesome, man. When you want to join up for something like this, when you want to take your business to the next level, I think so. I think so, right? Um, they got all things going on. Let me see if I can get into this WOP University. So let's just go to WOP.com, right? And so this platform is just great. You all should be diving into it, making it happen, right? And so you can do things on it. You can do messages, you can get notifications, they have a dashboard, they have affiliates. And let me see if I can go into one of my my classes here so I can show y'all what's happening, right? I'm gonna go, I have my business grant community going on. Right? They have all these things where you could get rewards. I've been invited to New York a couple times. I haven't been able to make it yet, but I'm getting there, y'all. I'm getting there. They give you rewards. They give you all types of stuff, right? But I'm going back to WOP. So you all want to jump into this, all right? I posted a link in the chat. I'm going to be putting more links in there for people. Um, we can invite people. We can write a review. We can do all types of stuff, man. So I'm about to write a review for WOP. How many people, right? WOP is awesome. WOP is awesome. And I am writing my review. Computer's going slow here, but it's gonna pop up soon. It's gonna pop up soon, y'all. And so I tell people all the time, dive into this stuff, right? Make it happen. Get things rolling because you want to take your business to the next level. Don't you? Don't you want to take your business to the next level? I hope you do. I know you do. Right? I know you want to take your business to the next level because I want to take my business to the next level. So that means that you want to take your business to the next level. WOP is awesome. Yes, it is. It's awesome. Right? And so I'm here giving WOP a review. Right? That's what we do, y'all. That's what we do. So take a look at WOP. It's a great, great platform. Many people say great things about it. I'll put the review back up here. You can see all the 5 stars review. You can see all of the memberships. You can see all of the things that people love and people like. And here's an opportunity that you can take your business to the next level. Don't you want to do that? Don't you want to take your business to the next level? Don't you want to make your business be more important than what it is right now? So just do it, y'all. Just do it. Make it happen and allow WOP for you to take your business to the next level. Excited. I'm glad that you all listened in. Wait to get some more feedback from WOP and all of the other places that is watching this. And so, peace. See you later. Have a good day. WOP is here.